In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view tasks by due date in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever felt like your task list is a little overwhelming, sorting by due date is a simple way to bring order to the chaos and see exactly what needs your attention first. Start by opening the Tasks area in Outlook. You can get there in two ways. Either click the Tasks icon in your Outlook navigation or use the quick keyboard shortcut Ctrl+4. That shortcut jumps you straight into tasks from anywhere in Outlook, so it's a great habit if you check your to-dos throughout the day. Once you're in Tasks, you'll see your items listed in a table with columns like Subject, Due Date, and possibly Status or Priority, depending on your layout. To sort by due date, look for the column labeled Due Date at the top of the task list. All you need to do is click the words Due Date in that column header. With a single click, Outlook immediately sorts your tasks in ascending order, which means the earliest due dates appear at the top and later dates follow below. This view is perfect when you want to focus on what's due today or this week and quickly spot anything that might be overdue. You'll usually see a small arrow or indicator in the due date header showing that the column is sorted and in which direction. If you'd like to flip the order and see tasks that are due further out first, simply click the due date column header again. This second click toggles the sort to descending order, placing tasks with the latest due dates at the top and the earliest at the bottom. This view is handy when you're planning ahead and want to scan what's coming up next month or later.